What's good, YouTube? Y'all already know, man. Got everything looking fine out here. Oh, yeah. Plenty more chicken get cooking, too. Got some more chicken, some sausage still on here. But, man, what about them right there? Whew. Get you closer. Man, who's hungry? Got a little fireworks show right there. Who's hungry, man? Little Smokey doing it. I told you, Little Smokey get it done. Little Smokey get it done. Told y'all. Damn, okay, we ready. We looking hot and ready over here, like a little Caesar. Damn, little fireworks show. I didn't know we were having fireworks tonight. But yeah, that looks tight too. That's ready right there. That's a hot heat right there. Woo, hot flame. Get that little minute cool off, cause I'm trying to burn my chickens. You know what I mean? But shoot. I'm gonna leave that one right here looking too good. Corn's looking too good. Everything looking right, you know. Texas thing, man. It's a Texas barbecue, a toe chop. Be right back with y'all, man.